Hey everyone, this is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create my intros for my videos. So the apps that we're going to be downloading for this tutorial are CAPCUT and CANVA. Both of these apps are free, however Canva does offer an upgraded subscription, but for this tutorial we're just going to use the free version. So once you're done with those two apps, you can open up the YouTube app on your phone, and I want you to search copyright-free music. Take a look at some of the music intros and whatever one you think would work really well with your intro. I want you to screen record 20 seconds of it. And please read the description to make sure it is 100% free copyright. That way you don't have to risk your video getting taken down or demonetized. So then you're going to go ahead and open up Canva. And on the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click the purple plus button. And we're going to make a custom size of 2560 by 1440. So then you're going to click Uploads, and then you're going to choose the photos that you want to use in your intro. Make sure that when you're adding your photos, you do not leave any white space blank. Now we're going to go back to the first slide and add some text. This is where you're going to want to put your channel name. Along the bottom are different options for your text. You can change the font type, the font size, the color. You can add effects and animations. For the second slide, I thought I would have it say subscribe with a little tiny arrow. I've seen a lot of intros use that at the beginning instead of the end, so I thought I would just put one in to show you what it might look like. Now you can upload your own clip art, or you can just use Canva's free ones. So I'm just going to type in arrow, and then I'm just going to go over to graphics and find an arrow that I like. Sometimes the clip art takes a little while to come in, but once it does, then you can adjust it and resize it to how you would like it. And then for the last slide, I'm going to add my Instagram handle. I'm also going to upload clip art that I actually drew myself just to kind of give it some final touches. But if everything looks good on your end, you can go ahead and save that to your phone. Once you have that saved, you can go ahead and open up CAPCUT. You can click on New Project and add in all the photos you want for your intro. Then we're going to click on the first slide and click Animation and then In. And then you can choose whichever one you want to use. I'm going to use Slide Up 1. I'm also going to change the duration to about 8 seconds because it makes it a little bit longer and smoother. So next we're going to add a transition by clicking the gray square in between the first and second slide. So no matter which one I choose, I always make sure that my duration is turned all the way up to the right. Again, that makes it slower and smoother going into the next slide. Now go ahead and repeat the same step for the last slide. So once you're happy with your transitions, you're going to go all the way back to the first slide. Make sure that the arrow on the left bottom hand corner is completely backed out, so the toolbar that you're seeing has no arrow on it. Next, we're going to click Effects and then Video Effects. Now there's a few categories, and my personal favorite is the mood category. So now you're going to repeat the same step for the second and third slide. If you wish to use the same video effect you used in the first slide, just hold down on the clip, drag it from the right all the way over to your last slide. So once you're done with your video effects, we're going to go all the way back to the first slide. Now we're going to add some audio. We're going to click Audio and then Extracted, and then it'll open up the video folder. You're going to scroll down till you find your video, and then you're going to add it. It will automatically take that screen recording and turn it into an MP3. CAPCUT has an add ending spot at the very end of the video. You're not going to need that, so you can just go ahead and click it and delete it. Now you can adjust the audio to however you want it, and then once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and export your project. Now we get to see what your finished intro looks like. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I upload my content weekly, so if you'd like to follow along, just click that subscribe and hit that notification bell to get alerted when I upload my new content. See ya!